こんにちは。How are you? Today、今日はですね、この昨日の続きで、前回のね、プリウスの Continue the Subaru Wheels to the 2016. This is a 2016 Prius. So attachment this area, 15-inch rim. It is this wheel, this one, Subaru. Okay, so install 15-inch to the Prius, Subaru rim 15. Attachment here, so cut here. So attaching this area, so cutting, grinding a little bit. So this area. Okay. Then okay to install it. Okay. This area. Okay, so grind a little bit. Okay, using grinder. Okay, cut this area, see, grind it and paint it or mark, check the mark and paint it, and then install the rims and make it turn, and with the scratching area make sure. After paint it and install the wheel and screw tie and move. Check the attachment here. Paint is gone, right? So this area is cut again. This is okay. And here, it is paint's gone, scratching. Cut more here. So paint and make sure scratching area. Make sure. Okay. One by one, cut many times. Scratching area cut. Okay, so screw here and turn. Scratching, see? Okay, you see? Scratching. Okay, so scratching, alright. Still have to cut. Scratching, keeping. So make sure cut. A little bit more. Okay, make sure turn again. No scratching, no touching. Looks okay. Okay, ready to install tire. Okay, ready, no scratching. Okay, it's now good. Okay. Okay, ready to install. Okay, install already. Looks like this. Okay, put a new tire. This time I put a new model coming up. MILESTAR's new model I installed. That's 710 AS710 AS710 sport. Put size one side over 205 6515 to the 16 Prius. Okay, this is a Subaru Wheels. So finally, no touch, no touching. Good. Okay, finally installation success. Okay, I'm gonna install all four. Okay. It's ready to install the Subaru rims and the 15-inch new tire. Also, it's ready and test drive it. It is very comfortable. So I recommend to change to 15-inch rim if you have 17-inch rim. If you want to make comfortable ride, I really recommend 15-inch. Much better rides. And especially Los Angeles road is a rough road, so It is helping for cushion for better soft rides, smooth rides. Okay, thank you.